In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook.com from putting legitimate messages in the junk mail folder. If you've noticed that important emails are ending up in junk instead of your inbox, don't worry. Outlook.com gives you a simple way to tell it which senders you trust. By adding a sender to your safe senders list, you help Outlook recognize that messages from that person or organization should be treated as legitimate mail in the future. To get started, open Outlook.com and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, look toward the upper right area and click the gear icon. This opens your settings, where you can control how your mailbox handles incoming messages. After the settings panel appears, find and click Mail. This section contains the main options related to your inbox, message handling, and filtering. Inside the mail settings, look for the Junk Email option and click it. This is where Outlook lets you manage blocked senders, filtering rules, and your safe sender list. When you're in the Junk Email section, locate the option to add a safe sender. Click Add Safe Sender to begin entering the email address you want Outlook to trust. Carefully type in the sender's email address. Make sure it's entered correctly, because even a small typo can prevent Outlook from recognizing future messages from that sender. Once you've entered the email address, click OK to confirm it. Then click Save to apply the change to your account settings. This final step is important because if you leave the page without saving, your new safe sender entry may not be stored. After that, Outlook.com should be much less likely to send messages from that sender to the junk folder. Keep in mind that this helps for future emails, but it's still a good idea to check your junk folder occasionally, especially if you're expecting something important. If you find a message there from a sender you trust, you can also mark it as not junk to further improve Outlook's filtering. If you have multiple important contacts, you can repeat the same process for each one, so that your mailbox becomes more accurate over time. This is especially useful for messages from schools, workplaces, newsletters you actually want, or account-related notifications. That's all it takes to help Outlook.com. Stop misclassifying legitimate messages and keep your important emails where they belong, in your inbox.